have a lot more external microphone control with this new camera than I ever did before, and that might take a little bit of fettling and fiddling to get it just right. So it's going to be a lot of testing, a lot of mucking about. In order to get it just perfect. So I might be up and down a bit with the quality of my filming for the next few times that I'm messing with it anyway. Well, that was good timing on my part. No, there were roadworks here, and I turn up when we got a green light. Excellent stuff. It's a bit of a breezy day today, so apart from the fact that I do get some wind noise, just from the very fact that I'm travelling in a forward manner, there could actually be a little bit of additional breezy type wind noise as well. Aside though, it's a lovely day. Now I think I mentioned in the last film that I'd had a mild issue with my speedo. Pulled the connector and sprayed contact cleaner into that. Well, that's still working, so I think I might have got to the root of that problem. Now it is a working weekday, so there's plenty of traffic around, but I'm nearly home, so we're not going to worry about that. Well, she ruined my fun. I think it's a she. shouldn't really undertake either, but I did, so sod it. Right, that's me. I'm nearly home. Thanks for watching. Take care.